Hello, my beautiful friends. I have an unboxing. My Healthy Life box came. I opened it, but I didn't look inside. I'm going to look inside now. All right. We are all affecting the world every moment, whether we mean to or not. Our actions and states of mind matter because we are so deeply interconnected with one another. Ram Dass. And so this is an Earth Day box. Earth Day is coming up April 21st. All right, so, we have an exciting update to share with you. We are changing our brand name from My Healthy Life box to My Happy Life box. While our name is changing, everything else you love about your monthly subscription will remain the same. They're excited. Sure, I'm excited too. All right, this has, it says a value over $80. I don't want to look at that. Dream big, work hard, make it happen. Little sticker. I'll put that on my computer. Listen, my happy box. You've made me happy already because it started with a book. Soul Truth Self-Awareness Journal. Now, I do know that I paid extra for this. They sent out an email saying, do you want a book? I said I did. Today's Soul Action. So let's just read a random one. Let go and trust. Today, find your center in the chaos and be certain with yourself so you can deepen your trust in others. How can I deepen my trust right now? So we'll check that out. We will check that out. That's exciting. All right, what do we have here? All right. First thing, made for good. We're creating a world that's more vibrant, kind, and connected through artisan-made products. Discover more. Handmade, sustainable. Oh, it's like a little drink cozy. That's really cool. Upcycled sari drink jacket. So it's upcycled. I love upcycling. And that's a really cool pattern. Strong in the bottom. I don't drink a lot of canned things, but that's still really cool. All right, what do we have here? Garden masala, handmade in the USA. Jar masala, curry spices and teas. It smells very spicy. Oh, and it comes with a little spoon. So that's cute. What else do we have in here? Oh, Himalayan pink salt. I use pink salt all the time in cooking. Oh, it's a little hand thing. Is it magnetic? Ethically made in India. I don't know if this comes off or not. I don't think so. I think it just turns. So it's this. And then it turns. It may, maybe it screws on. Oh, it screws on. It's like a little dish. Do I have to screw it back on then? Alright, I don't understand the screw business. I have no idea what I'm supposed to screw this thing. Alright, well that's labor intensive. But it's cute. That's cute. I'm not really into the hand thing, but I mean that's super cute. I like little boxes. What do we have here? Oh, I think I know what these are. These are Tibetan prayer flags. I actually have Tibetan prayer flags hanging that my friend Tracy got me, who watches the channel. She gave them to me, and they're hanging in my stairway. And I have another set upstairs, and now I have these. And I love the concept of the Tibetan prayer flags. If you are interested in the Everest hiking season, as Tracy and I are, you'll know that there are Tibetan prayer flags at base camp and all over Mount Everest. Obviously not up high, I don't think. But, it's important to pay honor and homage. Anything else in here? Ooh. Oh, look at this cool little sucker. Oh, that's chunky. It's a heart, too. Oh, that's cool. Let's see if it stays cold. Staying cold. That's a cool looking heart. I like that. I think that's everything from the box. Let's read the handy dandy sheet. Okay, this is what they say everything is worth. Spice dish and Himalayan salt. Oh, this is a spice. I cannot speak. Spice dish and Himalayan salt. This goes together. So this is worth $29. The koozie is worth $9. The garden marsala spice is $10.99. Traditional prayer flag is $12. The heart palm stone is $14, and shipping is $8. And again, I don't count shipping as part of like the value of the box. Shipping is shipping. So we're gonna take 8 off. So is it worth $71? I don't know, because I don't know how much the spices are worth, but I'm happy with it, so it doesn't matter. So very much, very cool. Thank you, and yeah, it's decent. I mean, I will use the pink salt for sure. I guess the spoon goes with the pink salt in the little dish. I will definitely use the prayer flags. They will go in the yard with my other set when we get ready for hiker season. I probably won't use the koozie, but I'll take it down to the island because everybody down there drinks beer in cans, and they can use it. And I like it. It's a good box. And I like that it's Earth Day and we're thinking about the Earth. So, I'm wishing you all the best night love. I will put a link below. I am not sponsored by this box, and I don't get a kickback if you order from them. But I definitely recommend them. So, be well. Take care.